Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the irrigation. Water is essential for any type of the cultivation. After the studying availability and requirement of water for the specific crop, and the designs on the irrigation system at responsible cost. Following method of the irrigations: first is the hand watering, second is the flood watering, second is boom watering, and fourth is drip. Next are the natural methods. They are the images for the irrigation. Collections of the crude drug. Comes the after collection is the most important step after the cultivation. Drugs are collected from the wild or the cultivated plants, and the task for the collection depend upon the collector, whether he is the skilled or unskilled. Drugs should be collected when they contain maximum amount of constituents in a highly scientific manner, and the season at which each drug is collected so important, as amount and sometimes the nature of the active constituents could be changed throughout the year. For example, rhubarb. Rhubarb is collected by only in the summer seasons because no anthraquinone derivatives would be present in winter season, but anthraquinones are converted to the anthraquinone during summer. Not only the seasons but also the age of the plant should be taken into the great considerations, since it governs not only the total amount of active constituents produced in the plant but also the proportions of the constituents of the active mixture and production in the percentage of the alkaloids in the tura as the plant ages are the examples of effect of aging in the plant. Moreover, the compositions of the number of secondary plants metabolites varies throughout the day and the night, and it is believed that some interconversions would happen during day and night. Generally, the leaves are collected just before the flowering season. Example, Vasaka digitalis, etc. At this time, it is assumed that the whole plant has come to a healthy state and contain an optimum amount of metabolites. Underground organs collected as the aerial plants of the cell die, example Leucoris revolvia, etc. Some fruits are collected after their full maturity while the others are collected after their fruit are ripe. And bark are usually collected in the spring season as they are easy to separate from the wood during this season. Bark are collected using the three techniques: feeling, uprooting, and the copings. Underground parts. There are the underground parts should be collected and shaken, dusting in order to remove the adhered soil. And water washing could be done if the adhered particles are too sticky with the plant parts. And unorganized drugs should be collected from plants as soon as they comes out. Like resins, latex, gums are some examples of this unorganized drugs. Discolored drugs or the drugs which were affected by the insects should be rejected. In today's class, I discuss about the collection of crude drug and method of irrigation. Thank you.